Thanks for your interest in SolderStar's WaveShuttle for SLX. Allow me to give you a quick overview of its many features, capabilities and benefits. I'll show you why the WaveShuttle is the ideal tool for setup and periodic checking of your wave solder process. WaveShuttle is a comprehensive fixture-based checking system for your wave solder machine. It allows you to quickly and easily set up and repeatably verify all key process parameters in a single pass. Let's look at some of WaveShuttle's key features. Thermocouples are used to measure preheat and solder wave temperatures, whilst contact pins are used to measure wave contact. This gives the best accuracy and highly repeatable results. Designed and built for the rigors of daily production testing, WaveShuttle is manufactured from 10mm anti-static composite and is fitted with durable titanium side rails. The SmartLink system allows quick and foolproof connection to the fixture, and the SLX data logger provides one-button zero setup operation. Here's why we don't use thermocouples to measure wave contact. Thermocouples are excellent for temperature measurement, but their response time is too slow to measure wave information accurately and repeatably. Here we have a back-to-back comparison of a thermocouple measurement versus a contact-based measurement. On the left is the thermocouple measurement of chip and main wave sampled at 100 milliseconds. On the right is a contact-based measurement which gives a clear, accurate and unambiguous contact map which is highly repeatable. WaveShuttle features two sets of calibrated bottom side sensor pins. Contact with the main and chip waves is measured at a rate of 10 milliseconds. Uniquely, this allows wave voiding to be measured in addition to wave contact. Matched sensors left and right allow measurement of topside surface temperature. A dedicated underside probe allows accurate measurement of the solder pot temperature. Two additional thermocouple channels are provided for product profiling. WaveShuttle optionally can feature wireless telemetry. The parameters measured in a single pass are dwell and contact time on chip and main wave, wave height, conveyor speed, wave-to-conveyor parallelism, solder temperature, preheat temperatures and slopes, and topside peak and wave temperature. WaveCentral software is specifically tailored to wave soldering. It allows you to perform detailed analysis of all key process parameters with minimal training. Profiles are stored in a single database and can be organized by product time or date. You can analyze temperature and contact data and produce professional documentation and reporting. The software includes a process manager which allows process window to be set for each measured parameter. The process checker screen automatically shows all measured parameters plotted against these limits. A contact and voiding map is shown for main and chip wave. This gives a digital glass plate view, measurement and record. All process parameters are automatically calculated and displayed on SolderStar's unique process parameter checker charts against your individually settable limits. As the data captured from the WaveShuttle is highly repeatable, it is very easy to produce SPC charting for each of the measured parameters using the SPC manager. Charts can be produced instantly for each parameter by selecting groups of historical profiles from the database. We are confident you'll find SolderStar's WaveShuttle provides the ideal solution for setup and monitoring of your wave solder process. If you would like more information on SolderStar's WaveShuttle or to arrange a demo, please visit www.solderstar.com. Thank you for your interest.